Hey everyone, if you're searching for a simple, super memorable, and let's be honest, kind of delicious way to teach paragraph writing, then you are in exactly the right place. We're going to serve up some seriously structured sentences today.
So, you know that feeling, right? You're trying to get your students to organize their thoughts into a nice, neat paragraph, but it's just not clicking. If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. It's one of the biggest hurdles we face as teachers.
But what if I told you the solution was as simple as a hamburger? Yep, you heard me. We're going to use this super tasty visual to finally make paragraph structure click for every single one of your students. Okay, so let's break it down. What exactly is the hamburger writing strategy? Well, at its core, it's a visual metaphor. It turns the components of a well-written paragraph into simple, easy-to-understand layers.
It all kicks off with the top button. This is your topic sentence. Just like a real hamburger bun, its job is to introduce everything that's coming and hold the whole thing together. It gives the reader a really clear idea of what they're about to sink their teeth into.
Next up, arguably the best part, the fillings. These are all your supporting details, the juicy facts, the specific examples, all those great explanations. This is the real meat of the paragraph, you know? It's the substance that makes it interesting and convincing. Without these, you've just got two pieces of bread. And to finish off our paragraph burger, we absolutely need the bottom bun. This is your concluding sentence, and its job is so important, it wraps everything up neatly, often restating the main idea in a new, fresh way, and gives the whole paragraph that satisfying feeling of being complete. So why does this simple idea work so incredibly well? Well, think about it. Our brains love visuals, and a familiar metaphor like this one makes the abstract idea of structure something real and memorable. It breaks a big, scary task into small, manageable layers. This really helps build their confidence and independence. And plus, who doesn't love telling their students to make their ideas more juicy? All right, so we get the theory behind the burger. Now let's actually put it into practice. It's time to follow the recipe and build a paragraph right from scratch. The process is wonderfully simple. You start with your main idea, that's the top bun. Then you layer in 3 different supporting details, those are your fillings. And finally, you wrap it all up with the bottom bun. Just 5 easy steps to a really solid paragraph. Okay, let's try it out. We're gonna build a paragraph about cats. Why not? So first, we start with a strong, broad topic sentence. Cats are impressive creatures. See? That's our top bun. It's clear, and it sets the stage perfectly for the details we're about to add. Okay, time for our first filling. Notice how this detail directly supports our main idea that cats are impressive. It's a specific, concrete example about cleanliness, and it gives real substance to our topic sentence. Now for our second detail, we add a totally different impressive trait, their independence. This is so important. We're not just saying the same thing over and over. We're adding another layer of flavor that makes the paragraph way more interesting. And here comes our third and final filling, adding yet another dimension. Now we're talking about their temperament and the positive effect they have on people. We've just built a really well-supported paragraph with 3 distinct, juicy details. And finally, the bottom bun to wrap it all up. See how it doesn't just stop. It concludes. It echoes the top bun, impressive creatures becomes fantastic animals, and it summarizes the main points we made. It makes the whole paragraph feel complete. So we've seen how to build one. The next big question is, how do you bring this amazing tool into your own classroom? Let's talk about how to get it done. When you introduce this, you've got to make it tangible. Use a real hamburger toy or a big, bold picture. Create a classroom anchor chart that stays up on the wall. And definitely model the process out loud, just like we did with the cat paragraph. Oh, and using different colors to code each part is a game changer. And one of the best things about this strategy is that it's so easy to adapt. For students who need a little more support, you can give them sentence starters or use graphic organizers shaped like a hamburger. You could offer word lists to help them spice up their writing. Or for a really hands-on approach, have them physically build their paragraphs with cut and paste burger pieces. Just look at the impact this can have. In the before example, all the ideas are there, but they're kind of a jumbled mess. But in the after example, just by applying that simple hamburger structure, topic sentence first, conclusion last, the paragraph is instantly clearer, more logical, and way more powerful. Okay, to make sure this strategy is a total home run in your classroom, let's just quickly cover a few really important do's and don'ts. So, do encourage creativity and do model everything clearly. Make the hamburger a regular part of your classroom language. But on the other side, don't just assume the metaphor makes sense without strong visuals. And please don't overcomplicate the details when you're just starting out. Keep it simple, and then you can build from there. The Hamburger Strategy is so much more than just a cute visual. It's a really powerful framework that empowers students to become more organized, more confident, and more independent writers. So what do you say? Are you ready to get cooking?